Hey y'all, welcome back to the pink envelope. I have 3 Beachly boxes here. So these are all 3 Beachly Spring 2022 boxes. In my beach haul, I did show this one. More to come on this. This is a different box. This is the women's box. I have the Beachly Men's Spring Box and the Beachly Beauty Spring Box. I want to open all 3 of these, show these to you. These are still available to be ordered until about mid-May. Then it swaps over to summer. So we have about a month or so left. And I am super stoked because when I did the first women's box, I freaking loved everything in it. I even went online and ordered these shoes from a past subscriber. So there are different groups. You can do it on the Ask the Pink Envelope Facebook group. You can do it in the box specific groups on Facebook, where if you get items that are not necessarily a match for you, you can go on there and list them for sale. So I noticed these were on Poshmark. I noticed these were on the Beachly Facebook group. And then I just asked in the personal Pink Envelope group, anybody have the Beachly sandals size small or Beachly house shoes size small? Several of y'all did. And so one of the girls sent this over to me. I freaking love these. They're super comfortable. I love them, love them, love them. So if you're looking for a great pair of house shoes, go hop online and order these from somebody from, I think, Beachly Winter. I'm not exactly sure. So I just had to share that. Freaking love finding great items and being able to order them. Okay, no particular order. I think let's do the men's because I'm most intrigued by the men's and what's in here. Then we'll do the beauty, and then I'll show you a different version of the women's Beachly box. Okay, this is the Beachly Men's Spring Box. It is quarterly at $99 a quarter, and they do offer prepaid discounts. Shipping is $4.95 within the US, including Hawaii and Alaska, and $11.95 to Canada. I am trying to get a coupon code for this box. So if I get one, I will pop it up right down here. Of course, it will also be down in the description. And they usually give really good coupon codes, just for the record. But this box has 180 plus in value, 4 to 5 premium pieces of apparel, accessories, and lifestyle products. And in the Beachly Men's box, you can expect to receive t-shirts, board shorts, shorts, pants, sandals, button-downs, hoodies, fleece, hats, good vibes, and more. I have no idea what's in here. So this is a spoiler because this box is available till like the end of May, I think. Then the summer box launches. I do have these summer boxes on order, so I will be showing you Beachly Summer as well. Okay, so far, great colors, great print. We may have to go get Jonathan for this. Block and ink t-shirt. Look at the pattern on this shirt. Jonathan is going to love this. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so great. It is very thin. So definitely like throw it on while headed to the beach, or here in Texas, throw it on just to go eat on a patio of a restaurant. Okay. And then next, woo! That says Billabong. Interested in that. We wear a lot of Billabong around here. Just bought the cutest swimsuit last time we were in Hawaii. That's a long sleeve Billabong one piece that is to die for. This is black coral tide solid cologne and marine amber musk. Oh my goodness gracious. Solid cologne. Is that like rub on? What's a solid cologne? Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Amber, musk, and marine. So I guess, yeah, like literally just rub it and put it on, I guess. It says it's made with organic beeswax, jojoba oil, and fragrance oils handmade by Broken Top Brands. Oh my gosh, I can say that would be great to throw in a beach bag, right? You get out, you're all beachy, totally grab some cologne, throw it on, and go in to eat. I'm loving that, okay? Oh, I don't know if I showed y'all this, but this is the logo in case you were interested. Very cool. And then what is this? Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to get Jonathan. I'm gonna make him try all this on for us. Ooh, this shirt is extremely soft and it is his color. It's just a Billabong tee, a great Billabong tee. This is what the front looks like. And then this is what the back looks like. And it kind of has like a black on gray tie-dye. Can y'all see that? Really cool. The tag says Billabong arch tie-dye in black, medium Retail value is $33 on this shirt alone. So we are big Billabong fans, great products, wash and wear well. So I can vouch for this being a KK product. And Jonathan only wears like non-color colors, like gray and white and dark gray and light gray. So these are super on par for him. I literally feel like this box was made for him. So hold up, backing up. He only wears gray. It's like gray, 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 gray. I mean, just go through past footage here on the channel, on Instagram, wherever, it's all gray. And then he'll walk out in like a pink flamingo shirt or a blue palm tree shirt. It is the oddest thing for someone who wears no color. And then he has these random, he does have one pair of shorts that are wild. So I legit feel like they made this box directly for him. So are these just shorts? Yeah, these are so great. Oh, this is Beachly. Like, this is a Beachly made brand. I didn't even know they made their own clothes. This says Beachly 98% cotton, 2% spandex. It is a size medium, which is what he is. And are they regular shorts or are they swim trunks? Or are they those shorts that go back and forth? He has several pair of those shorts that go back and forth. These are awesome. The quality on these are outstanding. Y'all, wear it a button-down shirt, a t-shirt, a pair of shorts, a thing of cologne for $99. Like, that is crazy. And then what is this? Free Surf magazine. And it's a whole magazine in here with beach and surf chat. This magazine is printed really well. Like, it's got great matte cover. The photos inside are great. Really, really well done. And like, surf competitions and stuff. It's actually really, really cool. Okay, so this is a Beachly men's box. This is the spring box. This one is available right now. Once again, check that coupon code below because they have great coupon codes. Huge thumbs up on what I'm seeing here. Now let's get Jonathan to play a little bit of dress up for us. Video is off to an incredibly good start. I wasn't sure what to anticipate the Beachly men's, but I am super impressed and cannot wait to see the summer box. So this is Beachly Beauty. Once again, not quite sure what to anticipate. This box is also quarterly. It's only $29. If you sign up here, your first box ships for free, and then all future boxes are $2.99 to ship within the US. I'm also working on them to get a coupon code for this box, which I'll pop up right down here for you guys, as well as put it in the description of the video. But each Beachly Beauty has 100+ in value. You get 4 to 6 beach-inspired, cruelty-free, clean beauty products for your skin, hair, and body. You can expect to get lip balms, fragrances, cleansers, moisturizers, nail polish, hair mask, and more. So let's see what Beachly Beauty Spring has. All right, here's what this looks like here. The first product on top is Captain Blankenship Rose Gold Sunset Sea Salt Shimmer Spray. Boom. Didn't know if I was gonna be able to read that off without messing that up. A gold sunset sea salt shimmer spray. Ooh! Well, that's really pretty. I wasn't sure what I was anticipating, but oh my gosh. Spray generously throughout damp or dry hair, tousle, and style. So does your hair, well, my hair probably wouldn't turn red, but would other people's hair turn red, or does it just do shimmers? Super intrigued. I legit just washed this mop top, so I am not going to spray this in my hair. However, if I do use this, I will put it on Instagram and share it with you guys because that is pretty unique. We open a lot of beauty products. I think that's the first time we've gotten anything like that. Dewy Skin Brazilian Beauty Elixir. That's this guy here. Dewy Skin is the ultimate multitasker elixir that brightens, tones, and hydrates skin. And it has like all these things: hydration, brightening, perfecting, plumping, glowing, illuminating. All right, so make yourself very beautiful with dewy skin with this guy, which, by the way, if you're in the sun, it probably is really good to continue to hydrate your skin like that. French Girl Rose Lip Polish. Well, here's what it looks like here, if I can ever figure out. It's fancy. How do I get it open? Does it slide out? Yeah, it does. Ooh. Okay. French Girl Rose Lip Polish. That's what it looks like there. And then, yeah, it just looks like it's a solid scrubber, like lip scrub. Ooh, it smells good. A really light scent. It has organic sugars, cocoa and shea butters, mint and rose. So that's what I was smelling a second ago. Oh, and they're out of Seattle, Washington. Very, very cool. I am wondering, how often do y'all use a lip polish? I've received a couple of these recently. I had never even thought about it before, and now I'm intrigued. Like, is this something that people are doing that I didn't know was a thing? And then last but not least is the Vacation Super Spritzer Hydrating Face Mask. And here is this guy right here. Close eyes, mouth, and spritz directly onto face. Use in conjunction with water-resistant SPF 30 when in the sun. Well, very cool. So you put this on first, and then you put your sunscreen on. Kind of like prepping your makeup routine. You're prepping your skin for your sunscreen routine. That actually makes so much sense. He says it's made with coconut water. I wonder if it smells like coconuts. No. No, it doesn't really have any scent whatsoever. So this is Beachly Beauty, and if you are looking for just a little bit of a different twist on that stereotypical beauty skincare subscription box, you might want to check this one out. It's $29.99 and it's quarterly, so it's really, really cheap. And I'm super excited about this guy. So let me tell you the backstory. I have been wanting to get Beachly, and I was reaching out to them to see if they would send a box, and I got impatient. And so I just hopped online, filled out the questionnaire, and ordered myself a box. Literally the very next day, Beachly was like, oh my gosh, we would love to send you a box. So I actually got 2 boxes in. The box I showed you over in the beach haul is the box that they sent me. Super fabulous, loved it. But this box is actually the box curated for me based on my style profile. So the items in here are slightly different based on what I put in. So you'll see a little bit of resemblance from the last box, but you're also gonna notice there are some changes. But if you're new around here, let me tell you this. This is Beachly Women's Spring 2022. It also is quarterly, and just like the men's box, it's $99 a quarter. They do offer prepaid discounts. Shipping is $4.95 within the US, including Hawaii and Alaska, and shipping to Canada is also $11.95. If you use code PINKENVELOPE, you get $30 off your first box, making this a bang-up deal. Like, you should at least try it if you like anything at all beach. And this box comes with the $250 plus in value. You get 68 pieces of premium beach-inspired apparel, accessories, and lifestyle products, and you can expect apparel, accessories, jewelry, beach essentials, coastal home decor, skin and hair care products, healthy and active living products, good vibes, and more. And so the one thing that all of these boxes do that I've showed you is proceeds from each box sold fund beach cleanups hosted by Sea Tree. So when we are investing in buying ourselves these wonderful gifts, they are turning around and giving back and making sure beach cleanups are happening, which I personally love as a beach girl. Okay, so if you watch the beach haul, this is gonna be the first thing you're gonna notice that's different. This is the cover-up that came in this box, which is different from my last one. In my last box, I'm gonna put it just right over here. This is what the cover-up came with. However, this one's also by Lost in Wonder, but as you can see here, has a very different palette. Now, I have to say, for my skin tone, the other cover-up was not a match. It washed me out, although it fit great, it just didn't bring out my best qualities. This one, on the other hand, is an excellent match for my skin tone. Looks so good with my coloring. I love this one so much. And it fits just like the last one, super comfy, super cute, has the pockets, all the good things. In this box, we also got the Beachly Beauty bags, and there are 3 of them here. And you can use them for all sorts of things. Sunscreens, hand sanitizers, and my kids were like, we could put applesauce in these and make applesauce pouches. And I was like, let's not do that. But I love your creative thinking. So 3 reusable pouches here. We got the Skylar Clean Beauty Sea Salt perfume. This perfume smells really, really good. Let me show it to you. So it looks like this, and it has fragrance notes of driftwood, seaweed, and sea salt. And it's super easy, like literally, you could throw it in your beach bag and it just rolls on. Super, super easy, totally beach bag appropriate. And it also came with this Lotus and Luna beautiful bracelet. Love this bracelet. My kiddos love this bracelet. My oldest stole this out of that first box, and I'm sure my youngest is gonna go for this one. Just a great beachwear bracelet. We also have beauty bags in this one. These beauty bags are so great because they can be used obviously in your beach bag, but these are excellent if you're someone who travels pretty often. So there are 2 sizes. There is this smaller one with the handle here. And this is what the back looks like. And then there is this larger one here. As a mom, I'm thinking, OMG, how fabulous is this to throw wet clothes into, wet swimsuits, sandy water shoes, anything of that sort can be tossed in here and be separated from the rest of the items. But even as like a person who travels, you could put, look, like all of these things in here and like be set to travel. And then when you arrive, you literally can see through the front. So you can unzip it and pull things out. Instead of unzipping and having to dump the whole bag out, you literally can just pull the items you need out because you can see through it. So really, really loving these sets. I actually saw quite a few people hopping on the different groups and ordering sets of these, duplicates of these. So you could have 2 of these and 2 of these for traveling, which is brilliant. I wanna go through this in just a bit, so let me set it aside though. And then look at this beach bag. It is so stinking cute. As you can see by holding it up to me, it's a very big bag. It has these cute leather handles. It has a canvas back, and it has a pocket on the inside as well. Just a really great, super chic beach bag. So let's look at this guy here. Oh yeah, you can totally see here the 2 different cover-ups there. And it gives you the retail value of the items inside. So as you're looking here, you can see the Lost in Wonder cover-ups have a retail value of $118. The Beachly Weekender Tote has a retail value of $120. The Cleobella bags, the travel bags here, have a retail value of $75. These 3 beauty, or they call it what? The Tropical 3-pack travel pouches have a retail value of $12. This bracelet has a retail value of $12, and the Skylar perfume has a retail value of $29. So you can easily see how this meets the value. And for those of you who like the rewards programs, Beachly has a great rewards program. So if you refer a friend or you do some shopping on the online shop, you get credits. So I do have more info linked on that below. And then it talks about the nonprofit that they're partnering with. And then if you're loving what you're seeing here, you can go back onto any of these sites and shop at a discount, which is another thing I love. Y'all know me. I have like 3 things I like to share about boxes. Do they have a fun rewards program? Like refer a friend. That always makes it fun to shop even more. Is the box value there? Yeah, the box value is totally. And are the quality of the products good? Yeah, the quality of the products is great. So Beachly's new to the channel, although they're not new as a subscription box. I am freaking in love with them. Very excited to be getting more on them. Stay tuned because the summer box is coming next. If you are loving any or all of these boxes, grab the coupon code and go treat yourself and get yourself some Beachly goodness. I hope that you guys are having an absolutely amazing day. And if you subscribe to my channel, I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye y'all.